Welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to stop Microsoft Teams from opening automatically when you start your computer. This is a common issue that can slow down your startup. Whether you use Teams or not, turning off Auto Start can speed up your system and reduce distractions. Right-click on the taskbar, the bottom bar of your screen, then select Task Manager from the menu. In the Task Manager window, click the Startup tab at the top. Scroll through the list of programs until you find Microsoft Teams. Right-click on Microsoft Teams, then select Disable from the menu. Close the Task Manager window. The next time you restart your computer, Microsoft Teams will no longer launch automatically. And that's it. You've now stopped Microsoft Teams from opening on startup. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.